Hi, Tuấn.
Hai Thăng,
Can I ask you some question about your favorite application software?
sure.
What is the name of your favorite application software?
It is your book a small accounting system.
Okay. What are the main key features?
It is simple, easy to use, plus a small design and works with Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android device.
Okay, so which user is supported?
Mostly small business.
Okay, so what are the main purpose of this application software?
Uh, it has managed the money flow in and out of the business.
Okay, and what are the benefits you can get from this application software?
Mm, it has connected fair, conveniently and next business manage uh, finance using smartphone or tablet.
Okay. What about the limitation of this application software?
Yes, it not nice payroll service and is not good for big business.
Okay. Thank you for your information.
Uh, Now can I ask you about the software?
Okay.
Uh, what is the name of the application software?
It is Adobe Photoshop CC.
Uh, what are its key feature?
Mm, it has many professional photography tools to enhance pictures, transform them into amazing works of art,
Who
and it has many unique patterns, effects, and advanced brushes to create and customize a digital masterpiece.
who will usually use it?
There are designers, photographers, and artists.
What is used for?
It is used for editing digital image application.
What are its benefits?
You can use this to design logo, create creative art, make some blog image, and many other professional things.
Does it have any problem?
Yes, it does. It includes many different tools. So it takes much time to learn how to use each correctly, and it takes up a large space of room on your computer and much RAM memory. So you will need a well-equipped computer.
Thank you for information.
Okay.